At Lucid, our operations team's goal is to optimize for organizational efficiency. To do this, we need to reduce bottlenecks, understand workflow gaps, and align stakeholders across teams. Because operational processes and workflows are often complex, it can be difficult to ensure that stakeholders get the information they need when they need it. So, we use Lucid to communicate across teams and optimize our workflows to be as efficient as possible. Here's an example of what that looks like. We use Lucidchart to outline our purchase order review process for our sales teams across the org. Sales teams can reference this document to understand the process quickly, bringing visual clarity to an otherwise complex process. For example, they can see limitations on various types of orders, verify how agreements will be signed and sent to each stakeholder, and understand how orders move through the approval process. With a single source of truth and an easy-to-follow visual framework, teams can move the order through to completion faster and more efficiently. Lucid makes it easy to visually document all the touch points that occurred during the PO review. By distilling this complex process into a standard visual format, our operations teams can improve efficiency, align stakeholders, and allow sales to focus on what's most important, the customer.